My name is Teacher Sarah. What is your name? Elena. Nice to meet you, Elena. Okay, Elena, I want to ask you a question. Can all birds fly? No? Yes. Great. No. Okay, Elena. What animals do you like? Hmm? What animals do you like? Cat. You like cats. Meow. Yes. Great, Elena. Okay. Tell me, what is this? What is this? Huh? It's a cat. Yes, Elena, great. You get a star. Bravo, Elena. What about this one? What is this? Hmm? Huh? It's a dog. Great, Elena. Yes, it's a dog. Great. What about this one? Hmm? What is this, Elena? Stop. What is this? Huh? It's a giraffe. Yes, Elena, it's a giraffe. Great, you got a star. Okay, what about this one? What is this? What is this? Huh? It's a tiger. Great, Elena. Yes, it's a tiger. You got a star again. Okay, what about this one? What is this? What? It's an elephant. Yes, Selena. It's an elephant. Great, Selena. This is my friend Puffy, and Puffy likes you. Yay. Okay, Elena. What is this? What is this? Huh? It's a monkey. Yes, it's a monkey. Yes, Elena. You get a star again. Okay, Elena. What bird is this? Hmm? What bird is this? Huh? What is this? It's a magpie. Great, Elena. Okay. Repeat, repeat after me. A magpie. Great, Elena. Okay. Okay, Elena. Repeat after me. This is a magpie. Listen, listen. This is a magpie. Yes, Selena, great. You got a star again. Great. Okay, Elena, listen. Okay? Two magpies. Okay? Two magpies. Repeat. Your turn. Yes, Selena, great. My friend loves you. Okay, Elena, repeat after me. Okay. Magpies are birds. Okay. Again, listen. Magpies are birds. Okay, your turn. Yes, Elena, perfect. Great, you're gonna start again. Okay, Elena, my friend Puffy wants to play. Let's play. Find the magpies. Okay, one magpie. Great. Two magpies. Great, Selena. Three magpies. Okay. Four magpies. And five magpies. Great, Selena, my friend. Clapping for you. Great. You're gonna start again, Elena. Okay, Elena. Look and say. Okay. Magpies are birds. Okay, your turn. Yes, Elena, great. Magpies are birds. Yes, Elena. This one, magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. Your turn. Yes, Elena, you got a star. Okay, Elena, what bird is this? Huh? A penguin. Great, Elena. Repeat after me. A penguin. Yes, Elena, great. Okay, Elena, look and say, okay, this is a penguin. Okay, this is a penguin. Your turn. Yes, Elena. Yeah, great. Okay, Elena, repeat after me. Two penguins. So, two penguins. Yes, Elena, great. Two penguins. Okay, Elena, look. Okay, look. Penguins are birds. Okay, so penguins are birds. Your turn. Yes, Elena, you got a star. Bravo. Okay, Elena, my friend wants to play again. Okay, find the penguin's wing. Okay, which one? Hmm? Yes, great. Elena, you got a star again. My friend loves you. Okay, Elena, look and say, okay, after me. Okay, penguins are birds. Yes, penguins are birds. Okay, your turn. Yes, Selena, great job. You get a star. Okay, the other one. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, penguins cannot fly. Your turn. Yes, great, Elena. Elena, what do you see? Now, what do you see? Huh? Birds. Yes, they are birds. Yes. Okay. What about this one? What do you see? Magpies. Great. Yes, they are magpies. Magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. Your turn. Yes, Elena, great. And what about this? What do you see? Penguins. Yes, they are penguins. Penguins cannot fly. Yes, penguins cannot fly. Your turn. Yes, Selena, great job. You're gonna start again. Okay, Elena, my friend wants to play. Okay, let's play. Okay, can penguins fly? Can penguins fly? Huh? No? Yes, penguins cannot fly. Yes, yes, Elena, great job. Okay, the next one are magpies. Bird. Are magpies bird? Hmm? Yes, yes, Elena. Magpies are birds. Great, Elena. Good job. Okay, Elena, do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Hmm? Huh? Chicken? Yes, Elena, it's chicken. Chickens cannot fly. Bravo, you got a star. And my friend loves you. Okay, Elena, you were great today. And my friend Puffy loves you. Bye. Puffy say bye. Bye.